everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create this DIY porch potty. We recently moved into a new apartment and it was very difficult to constantly take our dog out to go potty downstairs. Luckily, we have this nice sized balcony that allows us to have a potty porch outside. In the past, I've ordered grass patches, but they were a little bit pricey and they were very small and my dog just never got used to them. And if I did want to create a bigger one, I would have to order multiple pieces, but it would get too expensive. With this potty porch, I wanted to create a simple design with artificial grass and just something that overall looked nice. If you like the design and you're interested in making one, I will go ahead and link everything that I used in the description. The frame is made from 2x4 wood pieces cut at a 45-degree angle. Once the frame was ready, I gave it some color with a stainer that gave this very vibrant and rich color. The entire frame measures 42 inches by 60 inches, and I was able to find artificial grass that was just one whole piece at Home Depot. Right below the artificial grass are these plastic pieces. I did have to cut them so that they fit nicely in the frame. These plastic pieces are firm enough to provide a balanced and even surface. To support the plastic and the artificial grass, I used these wood slats, and it's the same concept as the wood slats that are used on a bed. I decided to only use 5 of them to give enough support, and then these wood slats are actually removable. You can move them at any time. You can remove them if you have to wash it, or it makes it very easy if you have to move it to a different location. And these thinner wood pieces were added in order to support the wood slats. Last but not least are these gold handles that give it that nice touch and make everything stand out. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate how to put everything back together. The last thing that I want to mention is this PoochPad spray. It's a potty training attractant spray, and I still use it to spray the artificial grass. This helps my dog know that this is the place where she can go potty, and it has really worked. I use different brands, but I have to say that this is the best one so far that I've used. Once a month, I like to water down the area as well as the frame and the artificial grass, and this just helps keep everything clean. I really hope that you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Thank you for watching.